when you encounter removing a very complex background. Yes, I know how painful it may be when you are very busy, like you want to do this thing very quick, but you end up not finding or not getting the result that you were or that you wanted. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove complex background with ease. Yes, we are not going to use any software or any designing software. We are not going to use Photoshop. We are going to use the browser. That's why I am in the browser. So we search for BG remover. That means background remover. So BG remove this one. This is the icon for it. So you click on it. Then this first one with this yellow and ash or gray background. So tap on here or click on it. You can use mobile phone, or when you're using your phone, you can still use it to do. It's still available because you're using the web. So yeah, it's here. You can choose to sign up, but you can still do what you want to do without even logging in or signing up. So click on the upload image and you choose your image that you want to remove its background. So I want to remove this image background. So you wait for a while it is loading. Okay, so let's wait. So as you can see, the background has been removed. So let's download it. So click on download. Then it has been downloaded. As you can see, it is already in PNG format. That means our background has been removed. So let me click on it so that you can go and check. So this is how you can use this particular website to remove any complex background that Photoshop couldn't remove. Like when you were like you use the remove background or like that to remove background to, and you didn't get the result that you wanted to get. When you use the selection tool to select, but still the result was not that what you wanted, then you try this two out. I normally use this two very much. I don't want to be wasting my time. So if this video was very helpful, please kindly click on the or tap on the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I am about to be dropping videos, tips and tricks and many things. So please kindly stay in touch. Bye bye.